in so-called transcendental meditation, go to the Himalaya and go to the forest. We are not interested in all this nonsense. Our only business is to spread Bhagavad Gita as it is, door to door, town to town, city to city. We are not going to seclusion. Prabhupada says, this is professional bluff. I am going to the Himalaya, I am going to the forest. Prabhupada condemns it. These are professional bluffs. Or they may be sincere, but still they are trying for their own salvation. Prabhupada says, I am not interested in that. I am interested for everyone's salvation. Everyone must go back to home. That is Vaishnava. Not that for my own salvation I go to Himalaya or in the forest and transcendental meditation. Nonsense. We are not interested in those things. These things are for Ajitendriyana. Those who are not able to control the senses, they make this business. Transcendental meditation and secretly doing all nonsense. The whole thing is transcendental meditation. The Mahesh Yogi. They are doing all nonsense and advertise we are transcendental meditation.
They openly advertise that if you do transcendental meditation, then you can do your business better, you can have a better sex life.
You can do your self-gratification process. Janamaisana griham tucham. What is condemned by Prahlad Maharaj, that this kind of happiness is must have a minimum and insignificant. Tucham. Tucham means very insignificant. Kanduanena karayu rivadukha dukkham. It is just like eating between the two hands, and after result is misery. That's all. Rivadukha dukkham. Sitpanta neha kripana bahudukha bhai. They know it. After this enjoyment of itching sensation, there will be so much trouble. They are not satisfied. Again and again. Bahudukha bhai. Begetting one child, this is going on. No shame. That is it. No shame. In Western countries they are learning. I have seen in Los Angeles Beach, they are having sex openly. Just like these birds are beasts. They are trying to make birth control. Why? Bahudukha bhai. And that silly, illicit or legal sex, the after result is very miserable.